government. So for the first time, because it is contrary to what the Taoiseach has said and the Minister for Finance, is the Minister for Finance on board with the idea of bringing new measures, and when will a government make a decision on such a case?
Thank you very much, Tánaiste.
Deputy, I think that was another cheap shot and a very and a very personal shot, and it says a lot about you. It says a lot about you and the nature and the character of kind of person you are, and it's particularly strange coming from you because you were prosecuted. You abused, mistreated a garda síochána. For that, you were prosecuted. You were found guilty. Yes, you got away without a conviction because of your age at the time, but you were actually prosecuted. You were arrested. That's what happened to you. And in your party, there are a huge number of convicted criminals in your party and in your wider Republican family, whether that is tax dodgers like Slab Murphy, a good Republican according to Mary Lou MacDonald, a good Republican, a tax dodger, people who are convicted for murder. We know what your party's attitude is to rape and paedophiles and what you've done in relation to that. So your cheap shots say a lot more about you than they do about me.